Hey there coders, welcome back to another exciting episode in our Rust programming series. In today's video, we are diving into function parameters and return values in Rust. Functions become even more powerful when you can pass data into them and receives result back. We will break down a detailed example and explain this code line by line. Let's jump right in. First, function with parameter and return value allow us to pass information to a function for processing and get back result to use in other parts of our program. Now let us come to code editor and let's make a function such as fn greet. Let's take one parameter name and str and println hello name. Now call that function greet rust. Here fn greet, this function take one parameter named name and of type and string. The and str type represent a string slice, which is an immutable reference to a string. And after that, inside the function, println macro prints a personalized message using the name parameter. And we call that function in main function directly by greet and passing the parameters we want. When we run the program, hello Rust. That's all. Now, if you want to return the value and take integer parameters and multiple parameters, how it's done? Let's create a that is I32 and b that is I32 of type I32 and it returns return it like this, sorry, this of type I32, sorry, and it simply returns a plus b. Here no semicolon. Here no semicolon means that this is the return value. And fn add a32 b32 returns I32. This function take two parameters a and b, both of type I32 means 32-bit integer. And after processing of result a plus b, it will return back from the function. Now let's call this function. We call this function let result equals add 1 comma 2 and we store the result of addition of 1 comma 2 in the result variable and print back. Let's check. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Now let's create one more function named fn cube, which take only one parameter that is num named num of type I32 and return I32 integer type, sorry, return back I32. Here we use return keyword. When we use return keyword, there is need of this colon semicolon, and when you do not use return keyword, you do not have to use semicolon. Let's call this function let cube result equals cube3 and print back that. Here Here cube function. This function also take one parameter num of type i32. It returns an i32 value. It returns an i32 value, which is the cube of the input. The return keyword explicitly specifies the return value, and there is no need of semicolon there. And that's a wrap. Function with parameter and return value make Rust program powerful and reusable. I hope this video helped you understand these concepts better. Let's keep building with Rust. I will see you next one. Thank you.